The fortune of an orphan boy. I was raised in an orphanage since I was little. I don't even know who my parents are. I am such an unfortunate boy. My name is Josh. I was named after the orphanage. My mother left me at the orphanage gate 2 days after I was born. After the age of 18, we could no longer stay in the orphanage. So, like everyone else, I left the orphanage when I turned 18. By then, I hadn't even found a job or a place to live. I walked along the road. I asked shops and hotels for a job, but they didn't give me one. For days I walked without a place to sleep. I was so tired after walking like that. The water bottle in my bag was also empty. I was suffering from thirst and hunger. I could not walk any further. I sat under a tree on the side of the road and waited. People looked at me strangely. As the night wore on, my hunger grew. I started rummaging through the trash can next to me to find something to eat. Hey kid, what are you doing? Just then, a man in his 50s came towards me. Why are you stirring up the trash? The man asked me. I am hungry, I said softly. He looked at me for a long time. Then he told me to come behind him. He brought me to a small food stall. Take whatever you want and eat. This is my stall. When he said that, I felt like eating everything in the stall. I suppressed the thought and picked up a sandwich. The man also gave me a glass of milk. Thank you very much, I thanked him before leaving. Where is your house? I looked at the ground when he asked. I don't have a house. Then I said that. You can stay at my house tonight. My eyes lit up with joy when that man said that so kindly. So I came to his house with him. The house was very small, but the house was full of warmth and love. He boiled water for me to take a bath, so I took a good bath after a few days. This is my wife and son. They died in a car accident, he said very sadly, showing a picture. My son is just like you, he said that and wiped the tears from his eyes. Do you want to stay with me forever? I will love you like my own son. When he asked me so innocently, tears filled my eyes. I hugged him with so much love, so from that day on I got used to calling him father. With that I started working at his food shop. Over the years, our restaurant has grown a lot. Now my father is a little old. So I let him stay home and be free. I took care of him with love. I have always been grateful to my father. If I had not met him, I might have died on the side of the road. He brought good luck to an orphan boy like me. Everyone in this world should have a small home full of love to live in. So I always wished that no one in this world should lose their parents' love. Thanks for listening this story.